So we've been putting in a bit of preparation for this next national, and really had a good result the last time I raced in a Shawi, so I'm really chuffed on that. It's a positive thought going into this next event, and yeah, I'm feeling ready. You just got to be positive. It's going to be 3 long days. It's all about pacing yourself. It's a bit like the comrades. You can't just go sprint. You have to keep your energy for that last little bit. And I know Craig Van Eden and the guys are going to put on an amazing event, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, we're out here doing our thing.